This was the traditional Portofino presentation.
I used to give 6 shrimp.
6 shrimp?
Yeah.
This one you can put as many as you want.
Yeah, but no, they don't pay.
No, no. Another year, Domenic,
Another year.
and you're back.
Yes.
Thank you very
We're
much
so
for
happy.
inviting me.
You look good. You look like you're getting younger. You're back with another recipe,
Rather recipe.
shrimp portofino. Tell me about this recipe.
If I tell you the history, right?
Tell me the history.
When I decided to open my restaurant, I met one partner from Italy, but he was working in Switzerland too. We worked together one restaurant. The restaurant was dead.
Dead. No business. Okay.
So what happened?
By the way, for all of you Italians, this means no good.
I used to work at Bay Street, La Scala. I don't know if you ever heard of La Scala.
Yeah.
Sounds
One
familiar.
of the top restaurants.
Yes.
And there was this Italian restaurant in the corner there. They used to bother me all the time. Domenic, come to work for me. One night I stopped by, we have a little play card, have a couple of drinks.
Yeah.
I say, yes.
I'll work for you.
Okay. Line up was 2 kilometers away line up.
What was the name of the restaurant?
Latina. Now they call it grappa. The boss said to me, there is another waiter just come from Switzerland. That guy he became my partner until 65.
No way. Oh my.
Joe. And then I moved from there because the restaurant was sold. I went back to La Scala. And then I got married, whatever, got kids.
Yeah.
I go back to Latina. What up? They sold the restaurant again. I quit. I go and open my own restaurant. I was looking around. I found the restaurant where I buy. I went back to the restaurant, but I was still working. I said to my buddy there, Joe, I bought a restaurant. you want to be my partner?
And that was it.
He was the head waiter, I was the head chef. I made the menu, all of the menu, Portofino, Linguini Portofino, Shrimp Portofino, this Portofino. One day, this guy, he show up. I need Shrimp Portofino. What I gotta do?
And that was the first time you made shrimp portofino.
Since then, was one of the top dishes.
So you're going to make us one of your top dishes that you made.
It's not a big deal.
No,
it's only shrimp, a little bit of rice.
It's not hard to make. It
Easy
cooks
to make.
fast.
Anybody can make.
Anybody can make it. So why don't you take us through your recipe? Today is grade 9, take your daughter to work day.
That's why she's here.
So your son, Amedeo, who works for us, he had to take his daughter to work.
My granddaughter.
Okay.
But now she's gonna come out.
Now she's going to come help you, okay?
Yes.
Good.
Right here.
Okay, Madeline, come on in, okay?
Come over here. Go like this, like that, and give it to me. But you don't get paid, eh?
So what do we got? We got garlic,
Yeah.
we've got green onion,
Yeah,
and now
parsley.
fresh parsley. Oh, social time.
You answer.
You answer.
I'm not available.
Pronto.
Hi.
My secretary.
Domenic doesn't like to just buy a bouillon. He saves his bones
Yeah.
to make his own broth.
We do the shrimp first.
We've got a substantial amount of olive oil, garlic, green onion. I'm narrating, and you can't tell right now, but the smell is delicious. We're mixing. So we got some nice J&F black tiger shrimp here. These are beautiful. What size do you get? We did 13 15s. Remember, shrimp gets small when you cook it. So if you want a shrimp that's gonna be substantial on your plate, you gotta get a little bit of a bigger size.
You see the way they change the color? A little bit of salt.
A little bit of pepper.
I don't want the seeds to go inside.
Yeah. Oh, breadcrumbs. I wasn't expecting that. A little more water. Oh yeah, it makes a nice sauce.
You need more water because you got to put on the rice.
Yeah. So the breadcrumbs they make it a little thick.
Yeah, look.
Make it nice. More parsley.
This is for the rice.
A little parsley going in. Beautiful.
Okay, boil, we got to put the rice in there.
Okay.
Okay, see the rice?
Oh yeah, okay.
See now here, I need the water.
You're using more than I thought you were gonna use. It's good. Do you want me to start narrating again? The rice is combining with amazing flavor. The shrimp are ready. It's almost plating time. Okay, it's time, Derek. We're plating. You gotta keep up with Domenic because he just goes.
Now we put a little bit of sauce on top.
And then that's it.
That's it. And then we go home.
And then we go home. Okay, Kristen, you coming?
I'm gonna sneak in for the best part. That looks delicious.
Doesn't it look delicious? And it's ready to serve.
That's your shrimp
That's it.
portofino.
Well, thank you, Domenic.
Okay.
You did a beautiful job. Thank you, Madeline, for helping us. We're gonna eat now.
Okay.
Okay, mangia. Okay.
Let's try it.
Thanks, Domenic.